About to do a no hate with no gas. We ain't got no gas in this thing. God damn it, Bobby.
No heat and a no.
Sheesh, we driving on a dirt road right now, Bubba. Woo-wee. Two hands on that. Two hands on the wheel now, Bobby. It's ugly. Let's see what the dealio is. Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
Yeah.
It's got its 1 year time.
So yeah, what it does, it'll try to fight through there and ramp up the blower, which could cause vibrations because it's ramping up to fight through the dirty filter.
Yeah.
So
I'm about to fill her up. Gotta stomp on it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Get that joint on the road, Bubby. To that no weed. That real spicy. That's spicy right there. Dust off that shit. Man, we need a rag. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what it makes sense. How is her downstairs? Is her downstairs working?